I am Dinakar Raj. My roll number 20951 A0442, and I am from ECE C section. Subject complex analysis and special functions. In this subject, my Tech Talk concept topic is further discussion on rectangular fuzzy complex numbers. This is my topic. So, first of all, we are going to know about what is fuzzy in mathematics. So, what is meant by fuzzy in mathematics? Fuzzy mathematics is the branch of mathematics including fuzzy set theory and fuzzy logic that deals with partial inclusion of elements in a set on a spectrum, as opposed to simple binary yes or no in bracket O 0 or 1 inclusion. So this is all about what is fuzzy. So what is fuzzy in mathematics? So the next one is what are fuzzy techniques. So in the previous we know about fuzzy, and in that fuzzy there are some techniques. So what are the techniques? What are the fuzzy techniques? So fuzzy logic is a technique for representing and manipulating uncertain information. So it is nothing but representing and changing. It means manipulating the uncertain information. In the more traditional propositional logic, each fact or proposition, such as it will rain tomorrow, must be either true or false. It is nothing but like probability. So, yet much of the information that people use about the world involves some degree of uncertainty. So, this is all about fuzzy techniques. So, the next one is GMR. So, what is GMR? So, what is the full? First of all, we learnt about what is the full form of GMR or the expansion of GMR. So, GMR is nothing but generalized rectangular model. So what is that? The generalized rectangular model. So, this is nothing but GMR. So, what is GMR? It has been previously mentioned, the TFAM and T small p FAM have been developed for reflecting the frequently appearing ambitious assessment cases. The question, however, is it necessary for this reason to change the shape of the assessment model triangles or trapezoids instead of rectangles? The effort of answering this question led to the development of the GRM. The central idea of GRM is the movement of the rectangles of the RM to the left, thus making the adjacent rectangles to share common parts. So, this is the brief explanation about GRM. Is nothing but generalized rectangular model. All the above fuzzy assignments models measurement of the uncertainty Rm, TFAM and T small p capital FAM are presented in detail in see also remark of section 4 together with the two applications student and bridge players assessment in which these models are validated by comparing their outcomes with the corresponding outcomes of two traditional assessment methods calculation of the mean values and the GPA index based on the principles of classical bivalued logic keeping the above notation for the x's and the yi's we recall that the grade point average GPA it is nothing but grade point average GPA index is calculated by the formula it is nothing but GPA is equals to y2 plus 2y3 plus 3y4 plus 4y5 into 5. So this is the formula to calculate the GPA. I will repeat one more time. GPA is equals to y2 plus 2y3 plus 3y4 plus 4y5 into 5. The rectangular model. So in this topic there is a rectangular model. So what is rectangular model? So we are going to study in this PPT. The main idea of the rectangular model was developed in 3, 4 closed bracket. Given a fuzzy subset A equals to x, m of x, x belongs to U of the universal set U of the discourse with membership function m U to 0, 1 closed bracket. We correspond to each x u an interval of values from a prefixed numerical distribution which actually means that we replace with u with a set of real intervals. Then we construct the graph f of the membership function y is equals to m of x. There is a commonly used in fuzzy logic approach to measure performance with the pair of numbers xc, yc has the coordinates of the center of gravity centroid say fc of the graph f which we can calculate using the following well-known formulas. So these are the graphs related to the rectangular models. We can observe the values also and we can observe the different types of graphs. There are rectangles, squares and there are some more values. There are different types of graphs, different types of models. Has a key theoretical basis of fuzzy complex analysis, a new representation of fuzzy complex numbers is proposed in this paper which unifies the exponential form, trigonometric form and algebra form of fuzzy complex numbers and some arithmetic operations are investigated. The concepts of strong sum and strong difference are defined in order to simplify the addition and subtraction operations of complex fuzzy numbers and establish the calculus theory of fuzzy complex valued functions. The metric between two fuzzy complex numbers, the derivative, differentiability and analyticity of fuzzy complex valued functions are defined and characterized. The necessary and sufficient conditions of the analyticity of fuzzy complex valued functions are investigated. Furthermore, the integral of fuzzy complex valued functions are Cauchy integral theorem and given and discussed. Thank you.